Now I am going to make program using prepared statement. I have already completed on a statement. For that I am going to create one more project, JDBC2 Java project, JDBC2. I have already told you to run your JDBC program. The first step is to import the OJDBC8 or something jar file. For that, right click on project, go to build path, configure build path, libraries, class path, add external jar. I am adding OJDBC8.jar. Then apply and close. I am creating one package. Test, making one class, insertion and retrieval. Right, I am going to perform two operations in this class, insertion and retrieval, using prepared statement. I am writing main class, main method, main. First step, loading driver, class dot for name oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot oracle driver. Right, second step, creating implementation object for connection or creating connection. Right, connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. We are creating implementation object for connection using driver manager class get connection method. Get connection is a static method which is going to return connection. Right, get connection method is going to take three parameters. First, db url jdbc colon oracle colon thin colon local host colon 1521 colon orcl. Right, after that, username of database. My username is c java, password is java. Right, we have to handle one more. First we have to import the package of connection. Press Ctrl Shift and O, it is auto imported here. Import java.sql.connection. Right, after that we have to handle the SQL exception. I am checking add exception to existing catch clause. Right, here exception is added. Right, after creating connection, we have to prepare the statement using prepared statement. To run JDBC program, third step is preparing statement. Right, this is step 1, this is step 2. Right, and this is step 3. Prepared statement ps equal to con dot prepare statement. Right, here we have to write insert into our table name is employee. Right, dsc employee. Right, employee, insert into employee employee values. How many column? 1 2 3 4 5. 3 are a string and 2 is number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? After creating connection, we have to load data inside prepared statement. To load data inside prepared statement, first we have to take input from user using a scanner class and set data to prepared statement using prepared statement set string method, set int method. I am going to do it, right? First, creating object for a scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in, right? Import the package using control shift and O, right? After that, I am going to give message enter first column id name, employee id, name and mail id. Enter emp, right? I am going to copy this to use again and again. emp id, right? String id equal to I am going to set here ps dot set id data type is varchar. To set varchar, we are using a string in Java, right? ps dot set string, index is 1 here and id is at first index, right? I am writing index number here and here data. sc dot next line, can we write like this? Yes. After that, enter emp name, right? ps dot set string, because name is varchar, right? Here second index. After that, we are going to write sc dot next line, right? After that, enter emp mail id, email is of type string. ps dot set a string, column index is 3. In database, index start from 1, in Java 0. sc dot next line, right? After that, enter mobile number, enter employee mobile number, not number. ps dot set long, right? Index 4, long dot parse long, sc dot next line. First, we are taking input in the form of a string and after that we are parsing in the form of long. Enter salary, right? Salary in the form of double. ps dot set double, index is 5. You have to pass double dot parse double, sc dot next line. I am writing every time parse double, parse long, long dot parse long to avoid the buffer problem. If we write direct long dot parse long, if we write direct read sc dot next double, it is going to create buffer. To avoid buffer, we are first taking in the form of a string and parsing into double, right? After that, we are going to execute the query. ps dot execute update, right? This method is going to return integer value. If our query runs successfully, it is going to return 1, otherwise 0. Now check for it. K greater than 0, then inserted successfully is not insert td inserted, right? Run the program. First check how many data available in the employee table. Select star from employee, right? Only two data, two record. I am going to insert one more. Employee ID. I am writing by you 3 to write name Raj, email raj@gmail.com, mobile number 765123, right? Salary 60123. Inserted successfully. Now we are checking on database. Is it inserted successfully or not? Yes, it is visible on database. By you 32 employee ID, name Raj, email ID raj@gmail.com, all these details, right? After that insertion, we are going to run the query of retrieval, right? To retrieve from database, we have to use the method ps.execute query for select statement, right? But we have to create one more statement again. Prepared statement ps2 equal to con dot prepare statement select star from employee, right? I am going to do like this. ps2 dot execute query. Execute query return type is result set. Result set, which is going to hold the object returned by database, which is going to hold the record returned by database in the form of result set object, right? To get data from result set, we have to use while loop. While rs.next, it is checking inside result set, is there any data? If inside result set any data available, then it is going to return true. After true, we are going to do like this. rs dot get a string. At first column, the data type is varchar. Varchar is a string in Java, right? In second column, it is a string also. rs dot get a string 2 again. rs dot get a string 3. After that, rs dot get mobile number long 4. After that, salary rs dot get double 5. Now run the program. First, we are going to insert one more record UI00. Employee name Kabir, email ID kabir@gmail.com, right? Mobile number 7766009988. Salary 60,000. Inserted look here, data inserted successfully. First we are inserting the data, after that we are retrieving the data, right? Thank you. Insertion and retrieval successful.